This is a review of the Mishimoto Radiator that I would highly recommend. This radiator, pretty much, it really is very durable. I had a lot of coolant issues where I had like coolant leaking all over my car, and I decided to get this Mishimoto radiator, and it's really durable. It's like made of steel, and the craftsmanship is really amazing. I love how the quality is super high quality. And it pretty much, you can see that even mentions that it offers a lifetime support from the manufacturer, which is Mishimoto. So if you have any problems outside of that, Mishimoto could fix it. Or if you have any issues, they could fix it as well too, or repair it. But so far, I owned this radiator for about over a course of 2 years. And so far, I haven't had any issues or any problems with it. I would highly recommend this radiator if you are having any issues with your coolant or like leaking, or your car is overheating and you want to fix that. Then the radiator is probably one of the top first things to do before you change other stuff out of your car. It will definitely keep your car much more cooler, and Mishimoto is definitely known to keep your car much more cooler as compared to other radiator kits on the market. My previous one was very bad. It was leaking coolant, and pretty much it was like pretty much fried, and I got this one and I haven't had any issues with it. You can see that on the bottom of here, you can see that how underneath the behind the front bumper, it looks really clean, and no issues like I mentioned over the last 2 years. It really keeps my car temperatures low. I'm gonna start the car up and show you guys the inside of how it keeps your temperature gauge level probably below the middle line of the where you can see where it says cold and hot. It really does keep your car temperature low. I'm gonna go show you guys in a second when I sit in the car and show you guys how it keeps your temperature low. So you can see we're inside the vehicle after a 5 minutes period. I started the car, and it's about to be pretty much like 6 minutes now, and you can see that it keeps your temperature gauges lower. On the right hand side, you can see that it's still at cold after 5 minutes of starting it up, and it's not anywhere close to hot or anywhere below or maybe in the middle. It definitely keeps your car much more cooler. I would highly recommend Mishimoto. Pretty much your car, you're not gonna have any overheating issues. It's pretty much a peace of mind where you know that your car will never be overheating again. I would definitely highly recommend Mishimoto radiator for your 2005 to 2014 Ford Mustangs, because of how the fact that you can see that it really keeps your gauges much more lower and much more cooler, and that's something you would want in your car, because overheating could pretty much destroy your engine if you keep driving it like that. This is something that's very durable. The quality is really amazing. I love how it's the quality is really high quality as compared to other ones I've seen. Mishimoto probably makes one of the best radiators. I would highly recommend them.